Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN in your Android device. So firstly, let me search a VPN. For doing that, open your Play Store and search VPN. Now download any VPN from the list, but I would prefer to buy some paid VPN because they are much more secure and faster. But for this tutorial, let's try this particular VPN. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it. Now you can just simply click on open. Then you can click at the globe icon at the top right corner. Then you can choose any location from the given server below. Let's say for example, let's connect to Germany. So simply click on the drop down box and then just simply click on a server from a state. And now it will connect to that particular state's VPN. So as you can see now, the VPN is connected and it has also changed my IP address. Now you can use this VPN for multiple purposes like streaming, playing games and etc. So that's it. And thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.